In case you have not had the opportunity to look at or close your garage door for several days, you might want to speak to a professional company that could resolve the situation. In some cases, the problem might be resolved within a matter of minutes. However, minus the proper tools or expertise to create these repairs, it might not happen whatsoever. Looking to repair a garage door can be a problematic situation. It may also be dangerous if you are employing a heavy garage door or seeking to replace the torsion springs. That's why you should call DoReMi Garage Door Replacement Castle Rock CO, a trustworthy business which will help you resolve these complaints.